This video tutorial will demonstrate how to make a pivot table using Excel. As you can see, an Excel spreadsheet is already open. There are 7 columns: employee ID, month, day of week, sales, COGS, sales commission, and sales tax. And there are about 249 transactions. First, I will select all the data I want in my pivot table. You can do it manually with your mouse, or there is a quick way to do it. Select the first cell you want in your table. Hold down Shift, hit End, and then hit the right arrow key. Once again, select the first cell you want, hold down Shift, hit End, and hit the right arrow key. And to go down, hold down Shift again, hit End, and hit the down arrow key. Once you have selected all your data, go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. If I have already selected the data I want, but if you hadn't, you can type in the cell numbers here, or you can click on this and manually select the data. I do want it on a new spreadsheet, so I'm gonna click on OK. As you can see, a new spreadsheet opens up. Once here, you can select what data you want on your pivot table. For example, let's put month in the column labels, day of week in the row labels, and sales in the values. Month is 4, 5, 6, which is April, May, June, and day of week is 1 through 7, 1 being Sunday. The reason they're in numbers is because I used a random number generator to generate all the transactions. So if you actually had month or days in there, they would be there. As we can see, it gives us total sales by month at the end of each column, and total sales by day of week in the last column, and the grand total over here. You can add more fields as needed. For example, instead of day of week, you might want to know sales by employee. So click on employee and drag it to row labels. As we can see, there are 2 employees. It shows total sales made by each employee each month and the grand total. Perhaps you also want to see how much commission they received. Just click on sales commission and drag it to values. As you can see over here, in the month of April, employee 1 made $133,000 in sales and earned $6,600 of commission, and employee 2 made $144,000 in sales and earned about $7,200 in commission. Instead of sum, maybe you want the average sales commission per transaction, or the average sales per transaction by each employee. Just click on the sum of sales in values. You don't have to right click it, just click on it, go to value, field settings, and over here you can select the function you want. I'm gonna do the average, so you can either double click on it or select it and click OK. I'm gonna do the same for sales commission, and over here we see that the average sales made by employee 1 in April is about $2,773, and the average of sales commission is about $138. We can format it, and if you want to, you can format it like you normally do in Excel. So I think the pivot table is a great way to turn raw data into information. Hope this video helps you.